one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
Mnangagwa ambushes VP Chiwenga, reads Riot Act. The 28th of August 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent. President Emerson Mnangagwa on Wednesday turned the ZANU-PF Politburo into a theater of power, delivering what insiders described as a riot act against factionalism and indiscipline, remarks that came in the conspicuous absence of his deputy, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Without mentioning names, Mnangagwa warned senior leaders against using the ZANU-PF brand to pursue personal ambitions. We must all speak with one voice and march in one direction. Leaders of the party are bound by collective responsibility and must unite around party decisions and resolutions, which serve as our ideological and moral compass, he declared. Switching to Shona for emphasis, the president said, Horodi zivin hukamba kwako wonda chitora sehurongwa hwemusangano. Our communication must be disciplined. Muzanu PF Tinamira Pachikwadi, Zvemasvik Mazvik Pasi Nazvo, factional shadows. The statement comes against a backdrop of renewed factional wars within the ruling party, as the unresolved succession question continues to divide the movement. For years, ZANU-PF has been split between Mnangagwa's loyalists and Chiwenga's camp, the latter viewing the former army general as a natural successor since the 2017 coup that ousted Robert Mugabe. Chiwenga was absent from the Politburo session, with official reports claiming he was on government business in India. However, state media's silence on the trip has fueled speculation of political maneuvers behind the scenes. Clashing voices within, the growing rifts were recently laid bare when party spokesperson Christopher Mutsvangwa dismissed attempts by businessman KUTYA Tagwari to influence ZANU-PF's direction, bluntly stating that money cannot buy political authority. Yet Legal Affairs Secretary Patrick Chinamasa appeared to contradict him in a post on X, formerly Twitter, insisting that attempts to block Tagwari's rise were futile.